Hello everyone, welcome to Plabita's tutorials. So by the way, friends, before starting the video, I want to tell you something that what do you think that I will tell? Yes, I will obviously tell you to like my video. Also, share my channel with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also hit the bell icon for your future updates. So, this is another video of English grammar where I will discuss about the uses of the definite article the. And I hope that you will learn it properly. And before that, what you have to do, you have to watch the video till the end so that you can understand all the rules of the uses of the definite article the. Although it seems that the uses of the article the is very easy, but still there are some things which we do not know or we are not aware of it. So please listen the video properly and also watch the video till the end so that you can master over this article. Okay. In my previous video of English grammar, I have discussed about the article a and I have given the link below in the description box so that if you're a new viewer of this channel, then you can please watch the previous video and learn about the uses of a and also. Okay, let's discuss the uses of the article the. Firstly, to indicate a particular person or thing. When we particularize some person or thing, then we use the definite article the. Okay, for example, the boys are playing in the field. Here, the boys are particularized. Although they are in plural number, but still we have particularized it. So here we have used the article the. Clear? Then, when we generalize something, then we use the definite article the. Means when before a singular number, when we represent that in a whole class, then we use the definite article the. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Here, dog is a noun, singular noun, but still it represents a whole class. So we have generalized it through the definite article the. Have you understood? That means when we tell about a noun or when we speak about a noun and we represent that noun for a whole class, then in order to generalize that noun or class, we use the definite article the. Okay. Then again, it is also used before an uncountable noun to particularize it. When we use an uncountable noun, not countable, but uncountable noun to particularize it, we use the. For example, gold is uncountable, but still here in front of it, if we use the definite article the, then it becomes particularized. So here, for example, honesty, the honesty of the man is worth mentioning. Although honesty is an uncountable noun, but still if we use the word on the in front of the word honesty, then it becomes particularized. Okay, so this is also another rule of the definite article the. Then it is also used before a name of a thing which is only one in nature. That means in nature we found that in only one place. For example, moon, sun, these are only one thing that exists in nature. We do not find two moon, two sun in nature. Yes or no? So here in front of those kind of 10 things also we use the definite article the. For example, the sun shines brightly. The sun is a thing which is only one in nature, and here in front of it we have used the definite article the. Then before the noun denoting a nation or race, before a race or a noun also, nation or race also, we use the definite article the. For example, the English, the Dutch, the Indians, like this. Before name of a road, but remember this thing, before the name of a road we use the, but not before a name of a street or avenue. Okay, for example, this circular road, the 80 road, like this, but we do not ever use this in front of the street. Clear? Then again, it is also used before ordinal numbers. Do you know what is an ordinal number? Ordinal numbers are those like first, second, third. So in front of these kind of words also we use the definite article the. Then in certain front of certain proper noun also definite article is used. Generally in front of proper noun we do not use article, but in certain situations we may have to use the article, that is the definite article the. Let us see. It is used before the name of holy books, the newspapers, ships, trains, aeroplanes, rivers, seas, oceans. So these are here we have some names of some proper nouns, but still here we use the definite article the. For example, the Bible, the Hindu, the Times of India, the Rajshani Express, the Taj Mahal, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Himalayas, etc. So these are certain proper nouns which have the definite article the in front of it. There are many rules of the use of the the. Here I have discussed it only. Then again it is also used before names of certain provinces which have a descriptive geographical meaning. For example, the Punjab, the Deccan. These are certain descriptive some provinces which have the descriptive geographical meaning. And it is also used before the name of countries which are collectively formed, not before a single country but before name of countries which are collectively formed, like the USA, the UK. These kind of countries have their definite article the, but it is not used before a single country. For example, before India we do not use the India, before Sri Lanka we do not use the Sri Lanka. Okay, you remember this. This is a very important rule. Then it is also used before proper nouns for comparison to denote a type. Certain common proper nouns, when we denote it as a type or a similarity, in order to show certain comparison, we use the definite article the. For example, he is the Shakespeare of India. Okay. Here we have shown a comparison, so here we have used the definite article the. Then again, the is also used before certain adjectives to represent a whole class. For example, the words like the adjectives like the rich, poor. Here these two are the words, these are the adjectives, but in front of these adjectives we use the definite article the. So the rich, the poor, like this. Okay, these are certain rules of the definite articles. You should remember it very properly and also know it and understand it. And besides these rules, there are certain important things that we should know, and it is very necessary. So these important things to be noted are like this. Certain nouns. There are two nouns specially, for example, man and woman. These two are the nouns which denote whole class. Man, M-A-N, it denotes the whole man, and woman also denotes the whole woman, class of woman. But these two nouns do not have, it doesn't have article. It never have any article in front of it. You please remember this. We always say man is mortal. We never say the man is mortal. Okay. We always say woman. We do not say the woman. Okay. You please remember this thing, that these two nouns do not have any article. Okay. Neither definite article nor indefinite article. Clear? This is an important thing that you should remember it. Then before the name of musical instruments, we use the only when that instrument is played by someone. When someone is playing flute, guitar, or any piano, then we use the definite article the. But otherwise, when it is not played by anyone, we do not use the definite article the, but we use a or an sometimes. Okay. For example, he plays the flute. He plays the guitar, like this. But if we say he has a flute, then we do not use the definite article the. So this is also an important thing that you should remember. We use the definite article the only when it is not called after its author. For example, if we say the Bible, then we can use the Bible. But if we call it the holy book after the name of an author, we do not use definite article in front of that book. For example, Homer's Iliad, Shakespeare's Hamlet, like this. So here we do not say Shakespeare's the Hamlet, we say Shakespeare's Hamlet. This is an important thing that we should remember. Then it is then another thing you should remember is that the is not used before the name of single mountains. If it is used in plural manner number, then we use the. But if it is used in a singular manner, if we tell about name of a single mountain, single island, then we do not use the definite article the. We never say the Mount Everest. We say Mount Everest, Mount Abu, like this. Okay. So these are the rules of the, and also certain important things to remember about the, or definite article the. And I hope that you have enjoyed the video by learning all the rules and regulations, and I hope that you will remember it for your future. Thank you.